National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southern Ashland County, northeastern Morrow County until 8 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, or 10 miles southwest of Mansfield, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Lexington, Loudonville, Belleville, Hayesville, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Jeromesville, Mifflin, Mohicanville, and Chalk. The National Weather Service